Morning students, in last video we had completed the chapter 1. In this video we are going to start chapter 2. This is a spreadsheet, its functions and formulas. MS Excel is one of the spreadsheet package. The power of Excel or any spreadsheet application lies in its ability to perform a variety of complex calculations. In this video we are going to discuss about power of references, functions and formulas to perform calculation on the data sets. So first let's discuss about formula in MS Excel. A formula is an equation that performs a calculation. Excel can execute simple formulas for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division as well as complex statistical and other formulas. Mathematical formulas and functions are main feature of MS Excel. So let's learn about some basic mathematical operators that are used to write a formula. The first one is arithmetic operators. To perform basic mathematical operations, arithmetic operators are used. For example, plus sign for addition, minus sign for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, forward slash for division, percentage for the percentage, and caret for exponent. These are some mathematical operators. It is also known as arithmetic operator to perform arithmetic operations, but these operators have some precedence. It means if you are going to use more than one operator in a single formula, then which one calculate first? So let's discuss about the precedence of mathematical operators. First one parenthesis, second one percentage, then exponent, then multiply and divide, then add, subtract, at last the comparison operators. Equal to, not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to. The operators that are equal in the precedence are performed from left to right. It means if you are using the more than one operator that having the same precedence like multiply and divide, then first of all it will perform multiplication, then it will divide. For example, the equation 6 plus 5 minus 4 into 3 by 12 will be calculated in the following order. First it will do multiplication. It means 4 into 3, that's a 12. Now the equation is 6 plus 5 minus 12 by 2. Then it will perform division. It means 12 by 2. Now the equation is 6 plus 5 minus 6. Then it will perform addition. Here the both symbol having the same precedence, meaning plus and minus. So it will first perform the addition. It means from the left side it's addition, then subtract. So it will first do addition, that's the 6 plus 5, 11, and then it will subtract 6 from the 11, that's the 5. The final result is 5. These are the precedence of arithmetic operators. Now let's discuss about comparison or relational operators. To compare two values, comparison operators are used. The result is either true or false. It means like the arithmetic operator, it will not return result in a number. It always return the result as a true or false. For example, equal to, greater than, it means the first value is greater than of second value or not. It means less than, it means right hand value is less than of the left hand values. Greater than equal to, it means left hand value is either greater than or equal to the right hand values. Next one, the less than equal to, it means left hand value is either less than or equal to right hand values. At not equal to, it means both values are not equal to each other. So these are the comparison and relational operators. Now if you want going to enter formula in a cell, to keep this thing in your mind, every formula must begin with an equal sign. There must be an operators to operate on the data. The data which can be text, number, date, time or a cell address. For example, if you want to do some addition of two numbers, So first of all, select the cell where the answer will appear. Then type equal sign with the formula. Here we have taken 5 plus 5. Then press enter key. It will show the result. Now how to apply compound formula. In compound formula, more than one operators are used. For example, consider the worksheet shown here. In this worksheet, the cell D2, the formula for discounted price is shown. Cell 2 B2 refers to the price of CTV, that is 26,000. In cell C2, it's referred to percentage discount for CTV, that is 15%. And the formula that is given in the D2, it means it's translated to like this. It means first B2 is 26,000, then it will calculate the percentage of discount, then it is subtracted from the B2 value. So 26,000 minus 26,000 into 15 by 100, and this will return 22,100. Now next one, how to edit a formula. Formula can be edited in many ways. Either click in the formula bar or double click in the cell where the formula is present, or go to desired cell and press F2 from keyboard and then edit your formula. Once done, then press enter key. Now if you want to delete a formula from a cell, to delete formula, select the cells that contain the formula and press delete key on the keyboard. But if you want to delete a formula without removing their resulting values, do the following things. First one, on the home tab, in clipboard group, click on the copy option. Then click on drop down arrow on a paste and select the paste value option. It paste only the value of the result and it will remove the formula from that cell. Paste value option, paste the value instead of copied formula. Now let's discuss about the cell range. A set of adjacent cell is called a range. A cell range is defined by the reference of upper left cell or of the range and the reference of the lower right cell of the range. Cell ranges are denoted by shorthand that include a starting cell address of the range, ending cell address of the range, and a colon in between them. The shorthand is used in formula to perform calculations on a set of values in a range. See the following figure. This is the horizontal range from cell B3 to E3. It means the cell range is B3 colon E3. This is the vertical range from cell G3 to G6. It means cell range is G3 colon G6. And this is a mixed range. A range from cell B8 to cell E10. It means the range is B8 colon E10. We can also give a name to a cell range. A range can be identified by a name also. To do so, first of all, select the desired cell range. Here we have selected from B2 to E4. Then click on the define name option in define name group under the formula tab. Then in a new name dialog box, type the name you want to give to the range. Then select a scope as workbook or select a specific sheet and click OK. Here it means the name of that range will exist in whole workbook or only for the particular sheet. It is the scope of the name of that range. So that's all for today. Thank you.